In this video, I'll show you how to create a clicker survey activity on Edvento. From the teacher dashboard, click the Create New Activity button. You will be taken to the Activities page. Scroll down until you find the Clicker Survey activity under the Live Activities section. Move your mouse over the activity card. The card will flip over. Click the Create Game button. A pop-up window will appear asking for the activity name. Enter a name for your activity. For this tutorial, I'll use Clicker Survey. Then click Create Activity. The activity editor is now open. If you would like to customize your activity, you can add a background image. This step is optional. To do that, click the Theme button on the navigation bar. Choose any image you would like to use as the background. Once your background is ready, scroll down to the activity editor. Here you will see 3 sections: the question field, the description field, and the options section. Let's enter our question. For example, what was your score on the last exam? In the description field, type, "Choose your score from the last exam." Now it's time to add the answer options. Enter your first option, 0 to 20. Then add 21 to 40. Next, 41 to 60. Then, 61 to 80. And finally, 81 to 100. As you add your options, you will notice a live preview on the right side of the screen. By default, the results are displayed as a pie chart. Each color represents one of your answer options. A legend below the chart shows which color belongs to which option. If you scroll further down on the left side, you will find the Has Correct Answer option. This option is useful when you want to use Clicker Survey as a quick one-question quiz instead of a survey. Simply turn it on. Then choose the correct answer. If you are creating a normal survey, leave this option turned off. In this example, we are collecting students' exam scores, so there is no correct answer. I'll keep this option disabled. You can also change how the results are displayed. Choose between a pie chart and a bar chart. As soon as you change the chart type, the preview on the right updates automatically. When you finish editing your question, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the left panel. Finally, click the red Save button in the top right corner of the screen. Your Clicker Survey activity has now been created successfully. It is saved in your teacher dashboard and is ready to use.